Hi, girls. How are you? Nice to meet you again. Today, girls, we will study lesson 8, which is talking about everyone shared. Learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, learners will be able to, it means that you, number one, use pronouns everyone, anyone, no one, everything, anything, nothing accurately. The second point, you are going to complete a conversation with the correct pronouns. Okay, let's start our session today by asking you this question. Have you ever been to a stadium? What did you see? What's a stadium? So this picture will help you. Yes, this is the stadium. Have you ever been there? What did you see? If yes, what did you see there? Yes, good matches, like football match, or you can find and see ceremonies, celebrations, okay, events. Well done. What kind of event should you like to see in a stadium? If you go there, which event you would like to see there? Okay, football match, it's okay. Why not? Can you see these people? Where are they? They are in the stadium. Well done. What are they doing there? Are they playing with the players? No. They are only sitting and watching the matches. They encourage players. So we call these people spectators. Spectators. Well done. Can you repeat, please? Spectators. So spectators are noun. This word is a noun. People who watch and encourage any match or a ceremony in the stadium, in the club. Exactly, girls. Today, girls, we are going to learn about indefinite pronouns. What is the meaning of indefinite pronouns? Okay. You're going now to watch a video to help you to get more about indefinite pronouns.
English
Let's
with
watch together,
Ladybug.
and after that, we are going to do activities.
Indefinite
I need
pronouns.
you girls, please, to watch the video
What
and take
are
notes
pronouns?
of anything that you understand it's a definite pronoun.
Pronouns are
Okay,
words
just a guess.
used
So
to
let's
replace
start.
nouns and noun phrases. We use indefinite pronouns
BDB.
to refer to people or things without being specific. We use the suffixes body or one for people. We use thing as a suffix or compound word to refer to things. Whoopee! The indefinite pronouns are
Whoopee.
anybody, anyone, anything, nobody, no one, nothing, everybody, everyone, everything. An important rule: if followed by a verb, it is always singular. Indefinite pronouns can also be used for possession with an S. Can you find indefinite pronouns?
Potato, 6 potato, 7 potato more.
Has anybody ever told you that you are very smart? If it had been anyone but you, I would have agreed. I haven't eaten anything since yesterday. There was nobody at home yesterday. No one I knew was at the party last night. They did nothing about that problem. Everybody dislikes bad winter weather. People will purchase everything they offer. Is everyone here now? Anybody can prepare scrambled eggs.
1 potato.
Anyone can see you are happy.
Potato, 7 potato more.
You don't know anything about me. Nobody could have seen it coming. There was no one at home when I knocked. Nothing I said made her change her mind. I love making everybody happy at Christmas. Everyone enjoyed the meal. She means everything to her family. There is a lot more to this subject. Ask your teacher to help you better understand the subject of indefinite pronouns. Have fun with English. Thanks for watching. Blast off.
Bill, time for dinner.
Yes, dear.
Okay, guys. After watching this nice video about indefinite pronouns, did you write any word that you guess it means definite or it's a type of indefinite pronouns? Yes, like these ones. Everyone, everybody, and they are the same. Okay, everything, and you have everywhere. Here, girls, everyone, everybody, I'm talking about people. General people, not specific one. I don't know. I'm talking about any person. If I want to speak about things, I will say everything, anything, nothing about things. About places here, use everywhere, anywhere, nowhere for places. So I'm talking about general people, general things, general places. And if the indefinite pronouns follow by a verb, this verb should be singular for one, like is, was, needs, okay, plays. So you have to write, if you write a verb after the indefinite pronouns, it should be singular. So indefinite pronouns, girls, everyone, everybody, anyone, anybody, no one, nobody. And we use no, no one, nobody, nothing, nowhere for negative. If you want to say no, no one. Okay, so one example, I can hear at the door. What do you hear at the door? Do you know who is on the door? I don't know. I'm talking about anyone. So I can hear somebody at the door. Who is he or who is she? I don't know. I have no idea. Just I'm talking in general. Clear? Okay. It's time now to open your book, page 156, exercise number 1, to learn more about indefinite pronouns. Yes. Here's the box, the pink box in your book, page 156. What are the pronouns? They are everyone, anyone, no one. And we use the 3 indefinite pronouns for people. Everything, anything, nothing. We use them for things. Also, we can usually use anyone and anything with negatives. Anyone, anything with negatives. And questions also. Is there anyone in the room? Did you see anything? For example, on TV. So you can make a question or you can use them with negatives. Also, everyone is the same as everybody. They have the same meaning. Anyone, the same anybody. No one is the same as nobody. Here you have some examples. Everyone is going to be talking about it at school. Everyone is going to be talking. Do you know him? Them? No. Just I'm talking about general people. Did, this is a question, anyone go to the stadium? No one should ever give up. Everything is brilliant. I've never heard anything like it. Nothing stops these athletes. Look at number 1 again. Everyone is. So the verb here, singular verb. The last one, everything here is brilliant. Is also a singular verb. Nothing stops. Stops here is a singular verb. Okay, let's move on. Here you have a paragraph in your book, the same page, page 156. You are going to read this paragraph. Can you see the underlined phrases? You are going to change them. Replace the underlined phrases with the words from the box. means that replace them with indefinite pronouns like anyone, anything, everyone, everything, no one, nothing. So if I'm talking about all the people in one place, everyone. Okay, I'm talking about just one person, anyone. Anything for places, everything for all the places. Nothing, it means that no or negative for things. So now it's time to read this paragraph and to replace, as I said, the underlined phrases in the text with the indefinite pronouns from the list. So let's start reading. I've seen many sporting events, but not anything was as exciting as when I saw Alan Oliveira win the gold medal for the 200 meters at the London Paralympics in 2012. I don't think a person thought he could win, but he ran well and he finished the race very strongly. For a moment, all of the people and things in the stadium went quiet. Not any person could believe it. Alan Oliveira had won gold. Then each person cheered. It was better than a thing I have ever seen in a stadium. Now, take some time to think about the incorrect indefinite pronoun for each underlined phrase. Let's check now, girls, together your answers. Yes, not anything, not anything. It means that nothing, but nothing was as exciting as. Here you have a person, the second one. I'm talking about any person. Yes, anyone. Anyone thought he could win. For a moment, all of the people and things in the stadium, all. It means that everything, yes. Not a person, any person. It means that no one, because you have not any person, negative, no one. Each person, it means that everyone. A thing, anything. So if you read the paragraph again, you will discover that these are the correct indefinite pronouns for each one. I've seen many sporting events. Nothing was as exciting as when I saw Alan Oliveira win the gold medal for the 200 meters at the London Paralympics in 2012. I don't think anyone thought he could win, but he ran well and he finished the race very strongly. For a moment, everything went quiet. No one could believe it. Alan Oliveira had won gold. Then everyone cheered. It was better than anything I've ever seen in a stadium. So here we talk about general people, general things, not specific one. Okay, let's work more about the indefinite pronouns. Here you are going to complete the sentences about Paralympics with the indefinite pronouns from the box. Everybody, everything. Anybody, anything. Nobody, nothing. So every, it means that all. Nobody, nothing. This is for negative. And you can use anybody, anything for questions. So I will give you time to read these sentences. Number 1 is already done. Read the sentences, please, and try to complete them with the suitable and correct indefinite pronoun. Okay, start. Take some time, girls. Okay, ready for checking your answers? How many sentences you did well? Number 1 is already done. There were lots of events going on the same time, but everything was very well organized. 2, the opening ceremony party celebration was brilliant, amazing. I've never seen anything like it. Yes, it was amazing, brilliant. 3, it was a fantastic event. Everybody was really happy to be there. 4, we all got tickets, so nobody was disappointed. It means that nobody will be sad or was sad in this event. 5, a lot of people bought souvenirs. Souvenirs means gifts, presents. Like what? Like t-shirts and baseball caps. At the end of the evening, there was nothing left. 6, has anybody ever gone so fast in a wheelchair? Now it's time for activity book. I need you to open your activity book, page 131. Exercise number 1. Have some sentences about indefinite pronouns. I need you to read each one. So let's find out, why do we choose this indefinite pronoun? Number 1, everybody is talking about the Paralympics. So it means that all the people are talking about the Paralympics. Do you know who are they? No, just we talk about general people. 2, it's okay, there is nothing to worry about. Negative, there is nothing, it means that no to worry about. 3, I didn't, negative here, no, I didn't see what? Anything. I didn't see anything. So anything, anyone, we use it with a question, we use it with a negative. Can I do anything to help? Also a question here. So because it's a question, we choose anything. 5, it's so boring. There is nothing to do. There is nothing to do. Nothing here, also for negative. I didn't know. I didn't, negative. Know anybody at the party. So after the negative, anybody. Kamil is very friendly. Everyone likes him. Yes. Here, nobody likes getting up early, of course. Nobody likes getting up early. Yes. So you know why do we choose these indefinite pronouns? Let's move. Here you have in the same page, page 131, exercise number 2, you have this conversation. I need you now, please, to read this conversation silent and try to guess what's the missing. You have to write there. What's the missing word? I'll help you by giving you the first one. Is there anything on TV? Anything on TV? Yes. So this is a question. That's why I write anything. So I write anything for a question and for negative. Okay. Now I think that now you are going to complete the conversation with indefinite pronouns. Okay. Anyone, no one, anybody, nobody, everyone, everybody, everything, anything, nothing, for things. Okay. So I will give you some time to read and guess what's the missing definite pronouns, and then we will check the answer together. Start, please. Okay. So let's check the answer together. A. Is there anything on TV? B. What do you want to watch? A. Anything, I don't mind. B. Everybody is talking, or everyone, both are correct. Everybody is talking about that new sports quiz. A. Really? I don't know. Anyone or anybody who's watched it. Don't you remember Alex said it was really good? A. Well, I don't know anything about sport. You are the expert. You know everything about it. Nobody knows as much as you. B. The questions aren't difficult. Anyone or anybody can answer them. A. Well, not me. I know nothing about sport. B. Let's watch it anyway, and I'll answer the questions. Okay, clear? Have a look to the answers to check. Okay, done. It's time for homework. If you understand what are indefinite pronouns, you're going to have a look to this box which is talking about indefinite pronouns. And what are they? Here you have for people, for places, and for things. We use one or body, anyone, anybody, everyone, everybody, no one, nobody, someone, somebody. This is for people. For places, we use word or suffix where. Anywhere, everywhere, nowhere, somewhere. And also we use no one, nobody, nowhere, nothing for negative. For things, we use suffix thing. Anything, everything, nothing, something. So this table will help you to complete sentences with the correct indefinite pronouns. So this is your homework, girls, for today. You have 8 sentences. Read them and choose the correct or write the correct indefinite pronouns you know from our lesson today. Thanks very much, girls, for listening. Waiting for your homework. See you later. Bye.
Did you see the football game on TV last night, Justin?
Yes, it was amazing. I can't believe the result. 5-0 in a cup final. Unbelievable.
My cousin was actually at the stadium. He said the atmosphere was incredible. Everyone was cheering for the whole 90 minutes.
At the start, I thought it was going to be a draw. Both teams were playing well.
I know what you mean. The first penalty changed everything.
It was a bad decision by the referee. The player just fell over. Anybody could see that. It was a great match though.
Definitely. I really want to watch a football match at a stadium one day. Don't you, Justin?
Yes. I went to see a tennis match last year with my dad.
What was it like?
Brilliant. It wasn't as loud as a football match. No one was shouting, and the stadium was smaller, but it was a really exciting game.
Is it better to watch it live than on TV?
I think so, but TV's pretty good too.
Did you see the football game on TV last night, Justin?
Yes, it was amazing. I can't believe the result. 5-0 in a cup final. Unbelievable.
My cousin was actually at the stadium. He said the atmosphere was incredible. Everyone was cheering for the whole 90 minutes.
At the start, I thought it was going to be a draw. Both teams were playing well.
I know what you mean. The first penalty changed everything.
It was a bad decision by the referee. The player just fell over. Anybody could see that. It was a great match though.
Definitely. I really want to watch a football match at a stadium one day. Don't you, Justin?
Yes. I went to see a tennis match last year with my dad.
What was it like?
Brilliant. It wasn't as loud as a football match. No one was shouting, and the stadium was smaller, but it was a really exciting game.
Is it better to watch it live than on TV?
I think so, but TV's pretty good too.
Did you see the football game on TV last night, Justin?
Yes, it was amazing. I can't believe the result. 5-0 in a cup final. Unbelievable.
My cousin was actually at the stadium. He said the atmosphere was incredible. Everyone was cheering for the whole 90 minutes.
At the start, I thought it was going to be a draw. Both teams were playing well.
I know what you mean. The first penalty changed everything.
It was a bad decision by the referee. The player just fell over. Anybody could see that. It was a great match, though.
Definitely. I really want to watch a football match at a stadium one day. Don't you, Justin?
Yes. I went to see a tennis match last year with my dad.
What was it like?
Brilliant. It wasn't as loud as a football match. No one was shouting, and the stadium was smaller, but it was a really exciting game.
Is it better to watch it live than on TV?
I think so, but TV's pretty good too.
Did you see the football game on TV last night, Justin?
Yes, it was amazing. I can't believe the result. 5-0 in a cup final. Unbelievable.
My cousin was actually at the stadium. He said the atmosphere was incredible. Everyone was cheering for the whole 90 minutes.
At the start, I thought it was going to be a draw. Both teams were playing well.
I know what you mean. The first penalty changed everything.
It was a bad decision by the referee. The player just fell over. Anybody could see that. It was a great match, though.
Definitely. I really want to watch a football match at a stadium one day. Don't you, Justin?
Yes. I went to see a tennis match last year with my dad.
What was it like?
Brilliant. It wasn't as loud as a football match. No one was shouting, and the stadium was smaller, but it was a really exciting game.
Is it better to watch it live than on TV?
I think so, but TV's pretty good too.